Hi there, and welcome to StockSync. You can include or exclude certain products from being updated with Incoming Feed Filter. On the Incoming Feed Filter, click on Add Filter. On the feed column name, you can enter the column name or index of the feed to be updated. Select the condition and value in their respective fields. For example, to exclude products with vendor ADIBAS, simply enter the column name vendor and select the condition not equal to and enter the value ADIBAS. You can enter multiple values in the field to exclude multiple vendors. You can also add multiple filters by clicking the Add Filter button. Please note that each column name or index can only be used as filter once. You can create multiple filter with the same column name. You can also filter multiple keywords in a filter. Following the same example, exclude the vendor Nikki. Enter the value Nikki in the same filter. Lastly, you can choose Include Empty Row in the update. For this to work, you will need to have at least one filter available. For example, set filter to include title polo t-shirt. It will update all images and variants. Once you are ready, click on Next, and all changes will be saved.